Hello everyone, this is just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Monaco Windshield Wonder. So here's everything that comes in the box. You got this little spray bottle. Now it says it'll work with just water. So let's put it together. Now it will only go one way. There's a flat spot here. You got to put it in. Those are going to click into place. Now you're going to simply push this. It already comes with this pre-installed, but you do get another one. This is a microfiber cloth that fits over that just right. So just put one side in. Now one of these is smaller, so make sure you get the small side on one. And if you just kind of tilt it out of the play, then you can get it back in there. Now we've got a handle that we can grip. It does move either way, but I can grip it like this, you know. Let's go see how it does with just plain water. Okay, a little hard to see, but my windows are pretty dusty. This is just water. Now, I think using it like this works the best. It doesn't need much water at all. I might have sprayed too much water. But if I keep going over it, it is drying. But it is easier to use like this. Again, it's kind of like that taller part is towards the handle. I can't get all the way down there. And I got a lot of leverage. Yeah, I think it's doing a pretty good job. Yep, it actually did a really, really good job. That's just about the right amount of water too. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.